This is a makeup kit, but mommies need to
Make it.
make it first.
Makeup!
I'm just gonna make it. You like it, Kaylee?
I like it.
Let me see. Let me see your surprise. Tinatawag ka niya. Gusto niya pakita sa'yo.
Matthew! Tingin din. Taas mo, taas. Bila. Wow, princess.
Wow, let me see.
Kaya gaya ka rin sa akin. Okay? So, tingin doon.
Yung nail polish pa niya rin siya. O, ay nail polish mo siya rin siya. Ayun ba yung isa niyang gamit? May mati. Ah, yung sa mirror. Oh,
Kaylee, do it.
make-up si Kaylee. Oh.
Makeup isa.
Look, oh.
Makeup isa.
Are you happy, Kaylee?
Just say, ano sasabihin ako, Mami? Say thank you, Mami. Thank you, Mami.
Ay, wala siyang ano yan. Pero pag nilagay niya pa ulit. Ano yun sa mirror, oh. Oh, so that you can see.
Maganda ka na, Kaylee.
Ito, oh.
At least, kasana kong te. Ako mag makeup delete. Ay, ayusin natin. Ito. Ito. Huwag mo pa kailaman.
Ayaw, yan.
Ayaw sa pinapakailaman.
Pangit na tingnan. Ang dami ng ano.
Pagising niya bukas.
Malamang. Malamang.
Sabi, Ate Rachel, makeup.
Oh, nail polish ka na. Dali pa, nail polish ka kay ate.
Ngayon lang ito dumating, te?
Sabay ng chinelas ko.
Ito, Kili, gusto mo rin? Kili, gusto mo rin? Kili?
Coach birthday
Let me see, Kaylee. You like it?
You like it from mommy hair? Ganun ka,
Smile! Smile ka, Kaylee. Yay!
Ayun, tiyo cover, tiyo.
Ayun, may cover pala po si Rachel. You like it? What will you say?
Thank you.
Let me see. That's how you make up. So look in the mirror when you're doing that. Here on the mirror. Oh, that's enough. Let me see your face. Wow. Did you do that? See it. Oh, let me see inside. What's inside your makeup kit?
Wait.
Let me see what's inside. Show mommy. What's that? What's you holding? What's that? What's that?
Biscuit.
Oh, what else do you have?
No, this one.
What else do you have? What's that? What's that?
don't know what it's called.
Nail polish?
Nail polish.
What else do you have in your makeup? Show Mama.
Nail polish.
What else?
What's that?
What's inside the cabinet? Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Eyeshadow?
What's this? Eyeshadow.
Let me see. What's that?
Eyeshadow.
Oh, sige, put it
What
back.
is a sticker here?
Oh, put it back, Kaylee.
What's this?
Put it back. Fix.
Look! It's like a sticker. What's
Oh,
this?
baka dyan yan. Oh, put it there. Oh, what else do you have inside your cabinet?
Me? What is this for? This?
Ah, that's for the nails, anak. Don't do that. That's for the nails.
It's nail.
Oh, fake nails.
Nail.
Wow, very nice. What else do you have there on your cabinet?
That's mine. I can put it here. Oh, I want to see if it's one break. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Oh, makeup for me.
Put it back. Very nice. Is it nice? You like it? What else do you have? You have your blower.
Blower.
What for the hair? How you use it for the hair?
Blower.
Very nice. You also have your fan.
Like that. Fun. Hearing.
Okay.
Learning.
And you have your cell phone.
Apple.
Wow, very nice. What else do you have? Open it.
Okay.
Open. Yay. What else do you have? What else do you have? You have your ano. Oh, what's that? That's for the hair.
Hair. Hair.
What else? You have your beautiful watch.
Watch for me.
Yes.
Go buy for watch for me.
Lola buy it for you. Wow, what else do you have? You have necklace.
Necklace.
Put it on. Wow, very nice necklace. Very nice. And you have your bracelet. Bracelet. You have many tiaras. Many tiaras for Kaylee. Let's see. Put it on. Wow, you're a princess. Let me see. Here. Here. Oh, come on, let's put on your tiara, Kaylee. Look at Mama. Put on tiara. Let me see your face. Wow, smile nga. Oh, look here, look there. Look here, look. Kaylee, look at Mama.